got your tongs, you got your tinidor, your fork, and then you just start, yeah, chowing down. You start chowing down. My favorite part is the breast, icho. Dip the whole bird in the saucy. Let's get him all in the saucy. So he's more sarap. He's masamit. Wow. I'm getting a bit messy here. All the fingers in the sauce. I think it has some ketchup in this sauce also. It's not just oyster sauce. So these are some of the views here upstairs of the Remy's Food House. It's Mas Maganda. You see they're using solar panels there, solar energy. Dipping in a little sauce here. It's not
It's not the same taste as chicken. It's a bit like kala patty also.
guys, 2 down, 3 to go. Yeah. This is the whole bird in my hand, smaller than my cheek. Okay. It's so breezy here. You don't even need a fan. You see the trees in the back there? They're just blowing away. You see the flags? They're blowing. Sea breeze, fresh, natural. So you see the sea view there, and then I've got my quail birds here, the pugu. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try this. There are many places where you can get this pugu, this quail eggs, but this is a lovely place you should come to because it's right on the seaside. It has nature. There's no better settings than this to experience your pugu for the first time. Look at this hair. I'm holding the whole thing. You see the head there? That's the head. Yeah. This is a different angle. Yeah. Another angle. Yeah. I got the whole of these 5 birds. Guys, if you're wondering, this is not baby chicken. This is like the adult of the quail. If you don't know the quail is a bird. You're probably more familiar with the quail eggs. You can find quail eggs internationally. It's a small egg, really small egg, and it's spotted on the shell. Okay. So you're gonna see what the quail eggs look like over there. So I like picho, so I'm gonna get him by the picho now. Look at that. It's like white meat there. I don't know how to describe the taste. It's something between chicken and another bird. You probably saw my video before of me eating the pigeon kalapati, but that is a bit bigger bird. So here in the Philippines, if you order the pugo, the quail birds, in one order you will get maybe 5 pieces because they're small. Turns out this one was pregnant with an egg. Look at that. That's like yolk there in the stomach. The yolk is like soft, powdery. This is silly red chili pepper. The sauce is slightly spicy. You see the sili there? This is sili. Maybe this is the smallest heads and neck you have seen. This is actually a saucer. To get a perspective of the size, this is my fork. A regular size fork. It's really authentic here. Nice environment. You see the trees in the back there, the greenery, the nature. Yeah. So this is one here, right? Why not dive straight in? I'm gonna get him by the head. Wow. Sarap. And then I have the special sauce. I have a special sauce here. Yeah, you see it? It's like oyster sauce. You dip the sauce so like that. Yummy. It's a mixed sauce, oyster sauce, and it has a sweet flavor. Look at that. These are 5 quail birds here. 5 quail birds. Here it's called pugo in Filipino language. And I got my sauce. It looks like oyster sauce. You see the sauce right there? Yeah. Okay, after 1 hour, I'm all done. I'm finished here. This is what the parts I didn't digest.